Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we step into the realm of modern medicine and delve into the captivating world of magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI. Join us on a journey through powerful magnets, radio waves, and the extraordinary images that unveil the secrets of the human body. Imagine a technology that allows us to peer inside the body without a single incision. That's the magic of MRI, a non-invasive medical marvel that has transformed diagnostics. At the heart of MRI lies the principle of nuclear magnetic resonance. Strong magnets and precisely tuned radio waves cause the hydrogen nuclei in our bodies to resonate. As these nuclei relax back to their natural state, they emit signals that are translated into incredibly detailed images of our internal structures. This powerful technique reveals soft tissues, organs, and even the brain with unprecedented clarity, aiding doctors in diagnosing a wide range of conditions. Unlike other imaging methods, MRI doesn't use ionizing radiation, making it safe for patients of all ages. Contrast agents can be introduced to enhance images further, providing even clearer views of specific areas. But MRI doesn't stop at anatomy. Functional MRI, or fMRI, lets us peek into the brain's activity, unlocking insights into cognition and emotion. As we conclude this enlightening exploration of magnetic resonance imaging, we stand in awe of the technology that empowers doctors to see beyond the surface. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of modern medicine, 1 minute at a time.